Yo, what up, boys? We're out here doing a little gun testing today, but we have a special surprise for you. This is going to be PNW's own Killdozer, and we are starting to build right now. We're about to test how bulletproof it is. What up, guys? We're about to do first thoughts on the Polonium K30 on the little shorty AK here. Kind of a weird build. It's got a BCM hand stop. It's got this like mag pull furniture. I believe it's a Century Arms, and it's a Midwest Industries rail slaughter patch, and then a cheap ass red dot that's not sighted in. So range is clear, and we're ready to take our first shots. Literally one comment and I'll just chuck this thing into the bushes. This is just a sound test. We have our professional sound engineer over here
with no earplugs in
to let us know how it sounds. How'd it sound?
Still loud.
How many decibels? He has also a built-in decibel meter.
At least 3.
This AK blows. It sounds kind of cool. I don't know. What are your thoughts, Jet? You want to shoot it?
If you say so.
There you go. Kill them daggone terrorists. Alright, moving on. The suppressor's loose. That's not good. I probably definitely got a baffle strike. We're about to check it out, but this is not ideal. Alright, we didn't destroy it. It's not turning into a 9mm can. You wanna hold it? Don't touch it! Don't touch it, it's hot!
Warm.
It is very, look, it's smoking.
Yeah, it's because I'm touching it. Ouch, hot, okay.
Alright, suppressor on the AK is dope, but it comes loose, so I need to fix that. This is Jet's new gun.
Oh. This is a taste test of the new Glock 17. Like Russian roulette, but you only get one chance.
You win every time.
Yeah, exactly. Your head will no longer hurt after that. No more headaches. Big chiropractors don't want you to know that.
Beat me in? Oh, you don't have a beeper, do you?
No.
I just
can go grab.
Just yell a crazy ass word.
Bukkake.
Alright, couple head bops. Alright, do it again.
Titties.
Alright, do it again.
Golf mommies.
Yeah, really fast. I have like one of the fastest trigger fingers in the West Coast. The Killdozer project is going great. We're not on Whistle and Diesel's budget yet, so we can only afford the 310 SE. This is of course a fire. We're just gonna do on the buzzer, do one round in each. What are your thoughts on this?
I think cheeseburgers work really well with fries.
Here. One on each? Yeah. Yep. All right, here we go. Stand by. 3.6.
A little resty.
All right, I'll go next.
All right.
6.7.
All right.
Shooter ready.
Yeah.
Stand by. There it is. 335.
335.
335.
All right, Jet Steve.
I'm completely unfamiliar with this gun, so I'm gonna start making excuses now.
All right. Well,
Like,
you're
I'm
gonna.
really retarded. Did I miss that one?
You did. Hell yeah.
676.
Is that what it was when before? Okay. I don't remember what his previous one is, but it'll be on camera, so we'll all fucking do
It was
it
like
in post.
367.
6, 7.
365.
All right.
67.
All right. Stand by.
Fuck.
Clearing malfunction drill. I didn't know we were doing that.
Yeah.
9.9. You want to run it back?
Yeah.
What was it? Was it your trigger?
I don't know. It just wasn't getting like a full reset, so something was getting sticky in there. So peep game. Went to Nashville, found out that the Holy Land there is called the Glock store, and that's where they're based out of. Got a Glock store trigger, pyramid trigger. Bought it at Glock store. Completely new internal, so there's a little bit of hiccups here and there, trying to figure out. Got a new slide, so I think there's some tolerance issues, but I think we got it dialed. Something could have just been sticky, who knows? Maybe she's acting up again, but
And that's why you should keep your guns stock.
yeah, Gucci Glock.
I think you hit it. I think you did hit it.
Get the fuck on the ground!
267. 276.
7.6.
76.
Hell yeah.
459.
I bet you I definitely just put a hole right through the shed.
I think I see it.
We'll go investigate.
Hey, you're up next.
All right, what are we doing? Bill drill?
Yeah, let's do build drill, but you can just go, we'll just do the head box, I guess.
Okay.
Because that's, well, there is no head box, but just the head. So.
Imagine there's a head box.
How many did you do? Build drill 6.
I know, but I wanted to get 6 in the box. I think I shot like 6 or 7.
Oh. All right, let's evaluate.
Flyer, big flyer.
Big flyer, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Draw. I'm gonna draw a box down here that I'm gonna go for,
Okay.
so that we're not all in the same thing. You want?
Kind of a box. It's a very poor.
It's a rhombus. Sharing.
Sharing is caring.
All right, I'll do builder next.
Right on, very nice.
Total time of
3.54. 3.54. Slow. I feel like I could have gone faster, but I was trying to be a little accurate, I guess. We have other targets. I'm just retarded, and we're on a budget. Okay, we only are allotted 2 cardboards a day. All right, then.
Ready?
Stand by. Very nice.
Not really.
Well, I mean, you were.
I drew half of a swastika.
It's only half, so that's not bad. That's not bad for a build drill. And he took it slow. Notice that if you're shooting, it's not all about speed, especially if you're more novice. Is like you want to try to go fast, and you'll like shoot off your cock or draw a swastika. All right, we're gonna we're gonna go ahead and mark out these targets. There you go. All right. Hopefully your next iteration doesn't fill it out.
with malfunctions. She just fucking
Time to
up.
throw that stock trigger back in. I really hooked the first one, but this one's crazy. It did hit the cardboard, so we're still in bounds, but we're gonna practice some low, what is it? Fucking close retention shooting.
Mm-hmm.
Buzz me in. And see there, we have gunshot residue, which means he's dead. Get off me! It's like the rifling. I don't know if like gas comes out in a, like this?
Looks like one of those weather things where they watch the tornado go
A
by.
hurricane.
I think I caught a little bit of caterpillar splashback.
How many shots did that take you to hit?
6 or 7.
38.
6 or 7. All right, POV, one-handed. Oh, I'm out of ammo.
Yeah, another piece of it. I got caterpillar on Rissy.
Was it time?
No ears, kind of loud.
You did that no ears?
919.
Did you do that on purpose or did you?
No, I did not do that on purpose. Got a little bit of tinnitus, but we'll be
Currently, Cortland here is for, you know what? This one's for Bean. Shout out Bean.
Oh. Timer didn't stop, but you were about 12.
Nice.
978.
Ooh! 10.8. Woo! All right, boys, so we're gonna do this similar thing. 1 with rifle, run to the buoy, 2 with pistol, then transition back to rifle on the way to the X to do 1 and 1, same as the last one. My last time was 10.8, just
10-8.
for reference. $13.12. Nice little hang up at the beginning, 14.9. Not terrible. .7 with a really smooth transition from rifle to pistol. yeah, I like these drills because it's good to get, I think, the heart rate up and shoot. On a real note, you know, if you're responding to some shit, you're probably gonna be running and you're gonna have a lot of adrenaline. You know, we're fortunate to have a few spots where we can run and shoot. If you're not, you're confined to a gun range indoors, like, you might look weird, but do some push-ups and then get up and shoot wherever in your little lane. Play tummy sticks with the gun shop owner and then go shoot.
Being able to go somewhere where you can kind of change up the tempo, like, you know, a lot of people do dry fire inside and they look at one thing, or they might do some movement, but getting out and then really applying it, you kind of just figure out whether, like, you are him or you're not, and you just got to practice more. But it's definitely good to go out and drill.
For real.
All my meal team sixers who's, you know, got all the kit but doesn't go out.
For real.
I'm kind of one of them, but
you're getting out there more. It's hard to get out there and shoot all the time or often. All right, boys, that about wraps it up, I think, for this video. We're just eating a little sandwich with lead-covered hands, just to further increase my lead input.